Hello everyone. Today our group will discuss an interesting topic. The similarities and difference is how humans and elephants communicate. Communication is an important part of life because it helps us share information, express emotion, and build relationships. People usually communicate through language, while elephants use sound, body movement, and other signals. So, do human and elephant have anything in common when they communicate?
Yes, I think the many the similarity is the first simulator epoch is about human and elephant due to show to the communicate human due to works voice and different talk and experience than the thousand feelings and for example we can speak slowly we can expensive or you to sell we went to what to sell kids elephant also different sound to ship messenger to every or outer.
I agree with those. Elephants can make different sounds to communicate with their family member. Some sound can tell other elephants about dangerous food or their location. What I find interesting is that elephants can communicate over long distance. This is similar to humans when we use phone or other technology to talk to people who are far away.
That is a good point, Quỳnh Anh. Another similar is body language. Humans often use facial contact to communicate with our words. For example, when we smile, people know we are happy. When we look worried, others can understand our feelings. Do elephants also use body language like humans?
Yes, they do the uniform you to hear ears, track and the body move to the communicate. For example, they may move the ear to travel hear body, person and so and enjoy this. They can also the tools our we got try to the soul cast and create song relationship and I think the soul that elephant we are short animals.
I agree. Elephants have strong family bonds, especially between mother and their calf. They use communication to protect and teach young elephants. This is quite similar to human because parents also communicate with their children to teach some important skill and values.
Yeah, exactly. Now let's talk about the difference in my opinion. The biggest difference I think is language. Humans have a very complex language system, and we can use thousands of words to talk about many different topics such as history, science, and future plans. We can also write books and share knowledge with many generations.
Just it choose. I often do not have a language streamlined and human. He can the speak or write, but he way to the communicate they use to the sound, body move, and even change the silence. Our Author here is communication is different. It is skills and direction and for her life.
I think another difference is the purpose of communication. Humans often communicate to exchange ideas, opinion, and knowledge. We can discuss communicate problems and create new things together. Elephant mainly communicate to survive, find food, protect their group, and maintain the relationship.
Nice. Yes, but I think we should also remember that elephants are intelligent animals. Some people think only humans can understand emotion, but elephant can show many emotions through their communication. They can show happiness, fear, and care for other elephants.
I comprehension against a study in fusion accumulation help you to understand the animal and buster. In the also the thought that a human collects with nature, we should represent animal and protect her in the habits.
I have a question for both of you. Why do you think learning about elephants' communication is important?
What do you think? What do you think?
For me, it's important because it helps the elephant understand animal and have the habits. When we understand the animal can the buster what's the protect him and the person in the wilderness.
Uh, so I maybe I think so. Also, learning about elephant remind us that communications is important for all living things, not only humans. Every species has its own way to connect with others.
That's a great idea. In conclusion, human and elephant have some similarities in communication, such as using sound and body language. However, humans have more advanced language systems, while elephants use natural signals to communicate. Apart from communication are meaningful and have some pure relationship.
Thank you for listening.
Bạn bạn thử xuống đi.